All right, so now with example 4, we're going to be writing a compound inequality from a graph. So we have this graph right here, and so we just need to write what the compound inequality. Now this is really, really going to help if you remember the shape, right? So I basically talked about two shapes previously. And so there's this shape here, right? And then there's this shape right here. So you must know that whenever you see something like this, it is an and problem. Okay? That means that the smaller number is going to be here. So 2. The smaller number goes here. The bigger number goes here. And x goes in the middle every single time, right? And this would be open circles, right? So smaller number, bigger number, x goes in the middle. Okay? But it's this shape, so you know it's an and. When you see this shape, it is an or. It's an or, and so you just write the two inequalities. So like this one, x is less than 2, and you always write x on the left, right? So x is less than 2, and it's an open circle. I'm looking at this one. Or, and you have to write those words or, x is greater than 6, like that. Okay, so this is an or, this is an and. All right, so with that said, let's look at this. What shape is this? What shape is it? What shape is it? What shape is it? What shape is it? It is an or. You are right. So we have to write that word or. And then we write this one. So I'm going to write x. And then this is a -8, right? And it is x is less than or equal to. And then over here we have x and we have 0. And x is greater than, but not equal, right? Because it's an open circle. And there you have it. That's how you do it. Boom. All right, let's look at the next one. What is this picture? Is this an or and an and? Or an and? Or an and? It's an and. So with the and, you write the smaller number here, you write x, and then you write the bigger number here, which is a 5. And then you look at this. So x is bigger than -2, but it's not equal, right? Because it's an open circle. And then x is less than 5, but it's not equal. So there you have it. That's it. That is how you write the compound inequality just by looking at the graph. Now it is your turn, ladies and gentlemen, to check it out. You have two examples, 4A and 4B. I need you to knock these out, all right? So here's my friend the pause dragon. Remind you to pause. Go ahead and work these problems out. When you get done, press play and we'll talk about them together. All right, see you in a bit. You can do it. All right, we are back. Let's see how you did. What kind of problem is this? Is this an and or, and or, and or? It's an and. So we put the smallest number here, -9, x, biggest number here, -2, and it's not equal, so x is bigger than -9, and it's less than -2, so boom, shakalaka, there you have it. If you got it right, awesome, awesome. If you didn't, fix it. Then we're here. Is this an and or, and or, and or, and it's an or, so we write or, right? So this is -3, so x is less than or equal to -3, the negative, you need that negative. And then you write this one next, which would be x is, it's close, greater than or equal to 2. So if you got all that right, yokonekimashita, you do an amazing job, and I will see you next time.